光さして溢れ出した
So, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today, I will show you how to do live streaming in YouTube without using OBS. Okay, so or Open Broadcaster Web Studio. We will just using YouTube as is. Then we are going to use Google Hangout. Okay, so let's start with my tutorial. First, of course, you have to log in. Okay, your account. And after that, just click to my channel. So, Creator Studio. Then on your left panel, you have to see the live streaming. So, click the drop down list here. Then you will see stream now, events, and camera. So just go to the events and you have to do a new live event. So for the title, whatever it is, like for example test live by Mizztrez. So any description will do. Let's just say test again. So for the tags, you can do like for me, most of my videos are pertaining to my game, so it is browse na lang for rules of survival whatsoever. And then make sure that it is in a public. Click the public. If you want to do private live streaming, you can also do so. Then make sure that it is today and the time will be now, so that is very important. So go live now. There will be a notification. You will now enter a Google Hangout on air, so you can stream live from your webcam. If you meant to schedule your live events for later, please click cancel and edit your event time. So yes, we will do it now, so okay. So there will be another panel here. This is the Google Hangout. So you can mute the microphone or turn it on whatsoever. Of course, if you have camera, you can click it here so your camera will be detected. The most important here is the broadcasting part here. So you can see we are now off air, but when we start to broadcast it later, it will be broadcasted to all. So click the screen share. Of course, you want to share this entire screen to your audience, so click share. So you are now screen sharing. Yes, present to everyone for the live streaming. Okay, then this is it. Start broadcast. Your hangout on air will be broadcasted on YouTube. You can now broadcast up to 8 hours. So okay, let's check it out. So minimize it. So this is live Google Hangout. So now as you can see, we are on the panel of YouTube. That's why it is now live. So you can see here, we are now live. So now as you can see, we are on the panel of YouTube. That's why it is now live. So you can see here, right? We are now live. Turn it to live. One. Stop sharing. Right, let's just turn it to pause one. Stop sharing. So it will stop eventually if you don't want to share it anymore. Okay, so we are having a feedback. It will stop because eventually if you don't want to share it anymore. Live streaming. So we are having a feedback because of
So
the
let's just go
Google
back to our
live streaming. So
Creator Studio. Eh, sorry, let's just stop broadcasting it. So stop broadcasting. Close the panel. Broadcast has been successfully terminated, of course. So close it. And eventually you can see it here in your live streaming panel, live events. Completed. So we have the test live by Mizztrez. So let's click it. So it will
so this is live. Google
be saved.
Hangout.
It will be saved eventually. So you don't need to save it through your computer. It is automatically can be saved in your YouTube channel. But definitely you can still delete it if you want to.
Now, as you can see,
Let's go back. So that's it. So I hope you learned from my tutorial here, and hope it is helpful to you. So please click the like button and the notification button to be updated to my tutorials and guides, video guides. So thank you so much, and please subscribe. Thank you.